you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you subscribe to the channel and you did it for the A45 AMG that I've got, or the Skyline R33, which is currently in paint, and the AMG's with the missus at the minute because I am in a very messy BMW 318 that needs a little bit of love today. So we have, I thought I'd YouTube it because why not? Somebody will have a 318 and interested in how they do brakes. Not that this is a how-to video, but we got front brakes and pads, disc and pads, or if you're America, rotors, and a little bit of carbon fibre mirror covers for just the covers of them, that's it, and some decals. She wants to start pimping out the BM, so let's get up the garage and get the brakes on, some stickers on, some carbon fibre covers, and I'll show you around the car as well, because it's a nice car. It's diesel. It's 200 brake horsepower though, so we're talking like Integra and Civic type R power and all that, Corsas and all that, but yeah, and it's DSG, which is nice. But yeah, this is this car anyway. I thought I'd stick it on the channel. Why not? If you don't want to watch it and you're not interested in diesel BMWs, then wait until the Skyline's painted. The Skyline should be painted, I'm going to say next week, but it's currently, what day are we on? Friday now, so end of next week maybe. It's going in for primer today, apparently, that's what he told me. So yeah, paint takes a couple of days, I'd have thought, once it's primered. It sounded a bit flat again, I don't know, but let's get up the garage and get these brakes on. Oh yeah, and we're doing the front brakes because they are very, very warped. They've been warped for a while now, and she's been nagging me to do it, and obviously I've been very busy with the Skyline, but Skyline's not here at the minute, so we're going to go and do her brakes. But yeah, if you put your brake on, it's like the brakes that I got, because this is an M Sport, it's got the bigger brakes, it's got the 4-pot calipers and the bigger discs as well, I believe, and I got them off eBay, but M-Tech discs they are, and pads, I believe, so they're not like, I don't know if they are a budget brake, but they're I believe they're quite decent, because we don't want them to warp again in like a week's time, do we? So I'll show you them anyway when I open them up. Almost there. Okay guys, this is the car. So it's a nice BMW. I can't really see with this lighting, but yeah, it's got the M Sport brakes, 19-inch rims upgraded, I think they are. Dirty car. But yeah, she wants a few things done to it. We are gonna change our front lip. She's got the carbon effect. I think it's a Maxim Design one, front splitter, which she bought it with the car, but lasted about a month before she smashed it into a rock. But yeah, we've got the carbon flat mirror covers that go on here, and the M Power stickers that go on the side skirts. But yeah, you'll see it when I stick them on. But yeah, easy jobs today. We like easy jobs. No rust. Race car. What the heck? Oh, that's good neck. Coilovers needed. Only a pad. Filthy. 2 bolts at the back. Shazam, caliper comes off. Take the pads out. That takes the caliper off those 2 bolts really. Take the pads out, smash these 2 pins out. Pop that out. And then the pads should slide straight out on this one, but this is for this calipers, and I don't know about yours. That's it.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
ting. Give him a little scrub. Good old Colleen. There we go, both sides done. Clean the caliper over it. Disc's a bit dirty, but it's safe. As soon as you break it, it'll clean it off. Obviously I've wiped it with brake cleaner, but these discs have got like a weird coating where you can't clean them as good as you would like a disc like that sort of thing. But anyway. Genuine fake carbon fibre. Handsome. Handsome. Last piece of the puzzle. That on there. M Performance. This would probably be much easier if I took it off the ramp, but I'm an old man and I've got an old man back, so I'm going to do it on the ramp and make it hard for myself. Big fat fail. Yeah, it ripped. But obviously I'm not a rapper, so I'm going to go on this side. Obviously, even if I do it, it'll only be one side, but I can order another decal if I have to. But I want to have another go and just try it. I was a bit, you know, rushing it. But I'll have another go, see what happens, eh? Hell no. Big fat fail on this side as well. I think I'm going to go ahead and blame the wrap. It is D-tape off eBay. No good. I failed that. Well, not bad. Brakes and wing mirrors, 2 out of 3. Good enough. Plus I cleaned her side skirts for her, so let's whip it down and get these brakes pumped so they actually work, see if they work. Okay guys, that's it for this one anyway. Just a little short video. If you're liking the content of the 3 Series BMW Grand Tourer, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll do some more stuff. The missus does want me to like do an extra wrap the roof, obviously because I'm such a pro at wrapping, as you can see from the side skirt wrap that I just did. That's now in the bin. But yeah, she wants to wrap the roof and get some new wheels, stuff like that. Nothing too major. I mean, not really like hybrid turbo or nothing, but a couple of exterior mods, a couple of interior mods, nothing major. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. We've got Skyline will be the next video, probably paint reveal. Maybe paint reveal, yeah, paint reveal. But yeah, take it easy guys, catch you in the next one.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail.